Good afternoon. Today we are doing a high beam headlight bulb on a Nissan Versa. This is good from 2019 all the way to 2024. One thing you want to do is identify the light. This is the high beam, this is the low beam. I've had people accidentally swap them out. Over here we got our turn signal, and over here we have our side marker bulb. I'll have videos for all of those as well. Let's jump in here and identify the high beam. It's going to be this guy, and we'll pop it out. First, always make sure you're putting on gloves before handling any bulb. You don't want to get grease on that bulb. It will shorten the life. All right, you can totally do this by hand, but I'm going to use a screwdriver just so you can have a better visual. So that pries up and this connector comes off. That gets out of the way. Then rotate your bulb counterclockwise from the perspective of the driver's seat. That pops out. This is an H9 bulb. I'll have a link in the description. Pop it out. This is a good bulb, but if this was a bad bulb, always look at the filament here. If it's broken, that little spring in the middle, then that's a bad bulb. I've already replaced this one, so I'm going to throw this back in. We're going to line up. We have these three little prongs. There's a big one, so that's how you line it up. Rotate, and then you'll feel those prongs line up. Rotates into place. We throw our connector back on, and that's how you do a high beam headlight bulb on a Nissan Versa. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.